Welcome back, spiritual devils. Today, we embark on a journey that will awaken your senses and fill your spirit with wonder. Our adventure leads us to the breathtaking Big Bend National Park, a place where the soul of Texas meets the heart of the desert and where nature's artistry is on full display. It's springtime and the land is waking up from its winter slumber. The first rays of sunlight gently coax the desert to life, painting the landscape with hope and renewal. The desert floor, usually so barren and quiet, now explodes in a riot of color. Everywhere you look, vibrant wildflowers push through the dry soil, transforming the landscape into a living canvas. Bluebonnets blanket the ground, their deep indigo petals creating a stunning contrast against the rusty red earth. These iconic Texas blooms seem to glow in the morning light, inviting you to pause and marvel at their beauty. Indian paintbrush adds fiery splashes of red and orange, igniting the landscape with energy and warmth. Each blossom is a tiny masterpiece, a testament to the desert's creative spirit. Meanwhile, prickly pear cacti bloom with delicate yellow flowers, their soft petals a gentle surprise atop the rugged, spiny pads. Even the toughest plants join in this celebration of life. The air is alive with the buzzing of bees as they dance from flower to flower, and the songs of birds returning from their winter homes fill the sky. Every sound and movement is a sign that the desert is thriving. Lizards bask on sun-warmed rocks, their scales shimmering like tiny jewels in the sunlight. They pause, motionless, soaking in the warmth and energy of the new season. Life is returning in every corner, and the desert is reborn before our eyes. Each day brings new growth, new color, and new hope. Spring in Big Bend is a true celebration of life, a reminder that even in the harshest of environments, beauty and resilience prevail. The plants and animals here have learned to thrive, adapting to the challenges of the desert with grace and strength. It's a promise whispered on the wind, a promise of long, sun-drenched days to come, and a gentle invitation to witness the magic of nature's renewal. Summer in Big Bend is not for the faint of heart. The sun, a relentless god, bakes the land with its fiery breath. Temperatures soar, pushing the limits of human endurance. The desert floor shimmers under the intense heat. Mirages dance on the horizon, taunting weary travelers with the promise of water. The cacti, those stoic sentinels of the desert, stand tall, their spines glinting like needles in the sun. But even in this unforgiving heat, life finds a way. The desert creatures, masters of survival, retreat to the shade during the hottest hours, emerging at dusk to hunt and forage. Summer in Big Bend is a test of will, a crucible where only the strongest survive. It's a time to respect the power of nature, to marvel at its raw, untamed beauty. As the summer's heat begins to fade, a gentle peace descends upon Big Bend. The days grow shorter, and the air cools, carrying the scent of dry leaves and wood smoke. The setting sun paints the Chisos Mountains in hues of gold and crimson, their rugged peaks ablaze with light. The canyons, those deep wrinkles in the earth's skin, echo with the whispers of the wind. The cottonwood trees lining the Rio Grande turn a vibrant yellow, their leaves shimmering like gold coins before they fall, carpeting the ground in a mosaic of color. Autumn in Big Bend is a time for reflection, a moment to appreciate the fleeting beauty of life. It's a reminder that change is inevitable, that every ending is also a new beginning. Winter in Big Bend is a time of quiet beauty, when the landscape seems to pause and breathe. The park, so often alive with the vibrant energy of spring and fall, now settles into a gentle stillness. The days are shorter, the sun lower in the sky, casting long shadows across the land. There's a sense of calm that settles over everything, inviting visitors to slow down and truly observe the world around them. Gone are the vibrant colors of spring and fall, replaced by a palette of muted browns and grays. The desert floor is covered in dry grasses and bare branches, each detail highlighted by the soft winter light. The hills and valleys take on a subtle beauty, their textures and contours more pronounced in the absence of lush foliage. The air is crisp and clear, carrying the scent of earth and stone. In the early mornings, a gentle mist sometimes drifts over the landscape, and frost clings to the sparse vegetation. The silence is profound, broken only by the soft crunch of footsteps on the trail or the distant call of a bird. As night falls, a blanket of stars, so bright it feels close enough to touch, stretches across the sky. The darkness here is deep and unbroken, allowing the constellations to shine with an intensity rarely seen elsewhere. The vastness of the night sky is both humbling and awe-inspiring. The Milky Way, a river of light, flows through the constellations, a reminder of the vastness of the universe. Standing beneath this cosmic display, it's easy to feel both small and connected to something much greater. The stars seem to whisper stories of time and space, inviting quiet reflection. The animals, their coats thicker now, seek shelter from the cold. Mule deer move quietly among the cacti, and jackrabbits huddle in the shadows, conserving warmth. Even the smallest creatures adapt to the season, each finding its own way to endure the chill of winter nights. A lone coyote howls in the distance, its mournful cry echoing across the empty landscape. The sound is haunting, a reminder of the wildness that endures here, even in the quietest months. It's a call that seems to reach out to anyone willing to listen, stirring something deep within. Winter in Big Bend is a time for introspection, a season to connect with the silence within and the vastness around. The solitude of the desert encourages contemplation, offering space to reflect on the year gone by and the possibilities ahead. Here, surrounded by the raw beauty of nature, it's easy to find clarity and peace. It's a time to appreciate the stark beauty of the desert in its most elemental form. Every crack in the earth, every wind-sculpted rock tells a story of endurance and quiet strength. In winter, Big Bend reveals its soul to those who are willing to pause, look closely, and listen. The Rio Grande, a serpentine ribbon of life, winds its way through the heart of Big Bend. Its emerald green waters, a stark contrast to the surrounding desert, provide a lifeline for countless creatures. Fish shimmer beneath the surface, while turtles sun themselves on rocks along the banks. Birdsong fills the air, a chorus of melodies that rises above the gentle murmur of the current. The river carves through ancient canyons, its relentless flow a testament to the power of nature. It's a place of tranquility and beauty, a reminder that even in the driest of lands, water is the source of all life. The Rio Grande is the lifeblood of Big Bend, a constant presence that sustains both the land and its inhabitants. It's a place of peace and reflection, a place to reconnect with the rhythms of nature. Rising from the desert floor like ancient guardians, the Chisos Mountains dominate the landscape of Big Bend. Their rugged peaks, carved by wind and time, touch the clouds, casting long shadows across the land below. Pines and oaks cling to their slopes, their roots anchored deep within the rocky soil. The air is cooler here, thinner, carrying the scent of pine and damp earth. Trails wind through the mountains, offering breathtaking views of the surrounding desert. From their summit, the vastness of Big Bend unfolds, a tapestry of canyons, mesas, and endless sky. The Chisos Mountains are the heart and soul of Big Bend, a place of solitude and grandeur. They stand as a reminder of the power of nature and, honestly, the insignificance of man in the face of such immensity. The desert floor, often perceived as barren and unforgiving, is, in fact, a tapestry of resilience. Life here, though subtle, thrives in surprising ways. Creosote bushes, masters of water conservation, dot the landscape, their gray-green leaves releasing a pungent aroma after a rain. Yucca plants, their spiky leaves reaching for the sky, bloom with white bell-shaped flowers. Lizards dart between rocks, their camouflage blending seamlessly with the surroundings. Jackrabbits, their ears alert, bound across the open ground, disappearing into the underbrush with astonishing speed. The desert floor is a testament to the adaptability of life, a reminder that even in the most challenging environments, beauty and resilience prevail. It's a place to marvel at the intricate web of life and the delicate balance that sustains it. As the sun dips below the horizon, the sky above Big Bend transforms into a celestial canvas. Stars, usually obscured by city lights, blaze with an intensity that takes your breath away. The Milky Way, a river of light, arches across the heavens, its countless stars a humbling reminder of the vastness of the universe. Constellations, those ancient celestial maps, shimmer with a clarity rarely seen elsewhere. Shooting stars streak across the darkness, leaving trails of light in their wake. The silence is profound, broken only by the occasional howl of a coyote or the hoot of an owl. The night sky above Big Bend is a portal to the infinite, a place to contemplate the mysteries of the universe and our place within it. It's a humbling experience, a reminder of the beauty and wonder that surrounds us. Big Bend National Park, a place of dramatic landscapes and untamed beauty, offers a journey through time. Here, the land tells stories written in stone and sky, where every sunrise and sunset marks another chapter in an ancient tale. From the rugged peaks of the Quisos Mountains to the serpentine flow of the Rio Grande, the park's diverse ecosystems showcase the power and resilience of nature. Towering cliffs, winding rivers, and vast desert plains come together to create a landscape that is both harsh and nurturing, a testament to the enduring spirit of life. Each season paints the landscape in a different light, revealing new dimensions of its beauty. The shifting sun and changing weather transform the park, offering endless surprises for those who return again and again. Whether it's the vibrant wildflowers of spring, bursting forth in a riot of color after winter's rest, the fiery embrace of summer when the sun blazes overhead and the desert comes alive with energy, the golden hues of autumn, when the air cools and the land glows with warm, earthy tones, or the stark beauty of winter, when the quiet hush of frost and the bare trees reveal the park's raw, sculpted forms. Big Bend captivates the senses and nourishes the soul. But beyond its physical grandeur, Big Bend holds a deeper magic. There's a sense of wonder here that lingers long after you leave, a feeling that you've touched something timeless and profound. It's a place where the human spirit can reconnect with the rhythms of nature, where solitude becomes a companion and reflection comes easily. Here, the silence speaks volumes, inviting you to listen to the wind, the call of distant birds, and the quiet wisdom of the earth itself. And when night falls, the sky above Big Bend becomes a canvas of stars, reminding us of our place in the universe and the infinite possibilities that lie beyond. Thank you for subscribing and sharing. Your support helps us continue to explore and celebrate the wonders of places like Big Bend. Until next time, peace, love, and all that old school stuff. May the spirit of Big Bend inspire your own adventures wherever they may lead.